1-minute quality control and wire and cable production with Aguinaldo.
Only 1 minute? Okay. Our laser series are the most powerful gauges when it comes to diameter measurement. But also other shapes, like rectangular or sectorial products, can be reliably measured thanks to our unique diffraction analyzers. The combination of the highest single value precision and the shortest available exposure time results in highest measuring accuracy, even if your product is oscillating or vibrating. Our measurement technology avoids to use any moving parts, and also calibration is not necessary over the lifetime. This robust technology leads into an availability of 99.8%. Of course, we provide also an automatic control. Close!